how to solve this type of quadratic equation. So let's see, this and this part are same, right? So let's suppose this is, let p square, and this part as q square. So if we put p square and q square in this equation, let's say this is number 1. So we have under root of p square, that is p, and under root of q square, that is q, that's equal to 6. Now if we subtract these two, so what we get? We get p square minus q square, this is equals to x square minus 5x plus 10 minus x square plus 5x plus 2, right? So this is, we have x square cancel out, 5x and 5x are cancel out. So we have 10 plus 2, that is equals to 12. Now here we have p square minus q square equal to 12. So this is a square minus b square, that is p plus q into p minus q. This equals to 12. So we have here p plus q is already 6. So we put this into this. We have 6 into p minus q. This is equals to 12. So here we have p minus q, this equals to 12 by 6, that is equals to 2. Very simple. Now mark it as number 2 and this is number 3. So look carefully that if we add these two equations, p plus q equal to 6 and p minus q equal to 2, we have q are cancel out, p and p are 2p, that is 2p equal to 6 plus 2, that is equals to 8, right? So here we have p equals to 4. Now put that p equal to 4 into the above this. We have what we have? We have x square minus 5x plus 10, that is equals to p square. P square means 4 square, that is 16. We transfer 16 into left side. We have 10 minus 16, that is minus 6. Now here we have x square. We split this into minus 6x plus x, minus 6 equals to 0. Now taking common x, this is 1, that is equals to 0. Taking common x minus 6 into x plus 1, that is equals to 0. So that is either of them are 0. So if we put x minus equals to 0, we have x equal to 6, and if we put x plus 1 equals to 0, we have x equal to minus 1, that is we have two values, x equal to 6 and x equal to minus 1. So that's it for today.